Igbo mama na kenekwa mono was in Ketata because on videos on Fagalena. Man, no, here I will keep lamenting, I will keep speaking. Kowanulonum, I will keep making speaking. In this place now, in my stand, in Ebenko, you will never hear me saying a man of God or reply any man of God. No, never. I don't do that. I can only pray for you, and I can only advise you, and I can only share my opinion with you, because now anybody who go 18 years, you don't advise that person again. Happy when you come here, when we have mother go among now, when man grow up and go understand what his fellow man they tell him. When age you got as any mother now wagging bar busy oku. When videos is me. And which I have watched, and I've also come to a conclusion that again, man, to tell ourselves the truth, can go on in Kibezoko. If na Ibonya Adoration, and you will not entertain Made Balege or Ipali Yoda the GO, please and please understand the fact na evangelist Buku Bukada the G on them mother. So likewise the same energy in her towards in mother balena yoda the GO, the same energy mother ye can be balade under the GO. In other words, can't take and go on the simple truth. The reason they redeem and they una see the Koreka and aga between them is that they have come to a conclusion where matter na gene na any name again bonwane na hanchine bonwane. So can't you can ndi buy kita so obolo na no ani buy when winners when redeem when CAC when apostolic when synagogue when Christ embassy when kede hafa many of them obono na ani buy ki hanu wade mokono di ogwa ya na agba na ani buy kanko upon evangelist Ebuko bi kano Lagos Father Mbaka kano Enugu. There is this intercalation of words by followers. There is this intercalation of words by the clergy people. Like I said in my video yesterday, you as a follower, be careful. Be careful. I keep saying this thing. Be very, very careful. Your duty is making as a son or as a daughter. This thing will not shake my faith. It's none of my business. I have come here to serve God and serve God alone. Everyone and mother now issue like no to Matthias is that now when you begin to attack church, any church will be attacking. Osquare Pastor Jerry Eze, Osquare Bolo Dunamis, Osquare Bolo Winners, Living Faith, Apostolic. Once you begin to go for those churches, that is when I will come for you. That is when I will come for you. Because at that stage, at that time of your life now, at the end of the day, if it is left only me standing alone, because you guys have succeeded in any other church. So there's a problem in the midst. Because other statement on me whereby now, don't try to reply to this video and congratulating and celebrating Father Joy Webe. People can still stand on that ground of that no do and the mother has standing on it when so because on the by as a follower, as a guinea, please and please gangene and please everybody when they had the loyalty. Everybody when they had the loyalty, ijikwana makana gina onya no wane so kemanto polonda no. No. You are there to serve God and to serve God, only God alone. I've said it several now. Even a church for quietly leave. There are so many men of God had the number that I end up blocking them. I end up stop following them. Just because na assurance problem. And when they men are them the mother share video na TikTok, every one church on Sunday. He had a communion will be a woman. The approach apoto se hanna no onye obuna ma egene je kwa biko je kwa ba mmanya hana emi ona agala ha many of you people na video no ma odumeje onwa bi hana meba with the style of odumeje ko no na odumeje and odumeje is still there. Does it mean that any attack odumeje today na ndo otu ya will not come for you? Ndo otu ya will come for you. Jeremiah moto fefi ono no kita ndo otu ya will come for you. Mana mo ebe anu nwanno now in a hedge attack your church, we will have problem. I will have problem with you. because this is not your house. Obori hi kwete in ya. Obori hi kwete in ya. Ona no na will never come out and na sendo mena no ya kwasin na. No. On the ojo in the midst of that omena, that is what I'm criticizing. Una man kweta nke mmadu me. Manu na choke kweta na nkunu. That is just where the problem is. I wish that everybody will come down to a round table when you're making it. And one thing is for sure, inner support was a ministry. Under adoration, because the Sibali they will come for you. The adoration, unna support Mbaka. Don't insult in this young ministry, or don't insult the other GO. Because when you do, they will come for you. Because when you're making it, na bachibie, onye na achoko oliki na nkia. Onye na achoko oliki na, but the truth remains the only truth that we should know. We all are serving the same God. Ofuchuku ka anefe. Don't allow say gini ke we tisad a sheep, because ana pokota atolo ana agbasasi. You can't be clashing in the midst of eba na chota atolo fulefu or anesuku. You will never find them. That is the truth. You will never find them. Onke bizoku kanna gwono ya na apia will legit. So in a video when he got an email, then these are the full videos of me. And also don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Call the number in the bio.
The instruction from omnipotent and omniscience. The instruction from Alpha and Omega. The instruction from authority Ndamuma. The instruction from the King of Kings, the Lord of Lords, and the Ancient of Days is that. And the respond to if respond to if now the question is he going to get a reply from Onyamuma dike manewi oversize ndamuma Onyamuma nki nya Onyamuma fit this jet age I know ne Onyamuma for this season oye nweta reply from Onyamuma. Now the answer is that netu aho Osihowulu a social media person. Etu akwa ko Onyamuma Esihowu a social media person. And etu a Osiwese no na eme ife gacha. Nde mmadu chefuo ye nyanwe we bia kwuo nke. Na kwa etu akwa Onyamuma dike ma na ewu ewu nke a esikwa emekwa ife gacha kware. At his own time. At his own time. O respond to ifo una. O choro I respond to. But all ukoma or you get a reply. One trust. Oh no. It was a good noble in social media person. Now they make we which are we be a kuoku ne. Up to our quano. Ka evangelist Bukobi si we are a social media person. And dog one can and let us even come to think about it. Keronye kadu busy ni me hanab. Evangelist Bukobi is a very busy human being. He ought to go. Onya kan juwese no nyawo also na one out of, because there were so many of them, but definitely not on that any exchange words. There were so many people they do designed to meet up with this season 9 on air now. You talk about somebody do ke be months of adokunere and do to he ought to go. He ought to. So now ukoma reply oyabia ogabia ki igwe gbaliye ri kaifia ki igwe gbaliye kaifuye mano oyabia at his own time. He gotta go. Nyanwa decided ikene Father Mwebe joy after doing a specific job. After how long? Now Evangelist Bukobi is definitely going to reply at his own time. But Ogwoma reply oyabia, it must surely come. He gotta go. Ki igwe gbawa ka enigwe da ka enigwe dorukpudo ụwa ka ifo ịghọtago ka enigwe dorukpudo ụwa ka ifo. I'm just making a common sense. ịghọtago Nwan Oziobi is a very busy man, very busy to the core, very busy man, busy with so many things. In my engagement in moving from Seraphic Hospital to Egypt in the International Webia to Egypt different groups. The money Keriva na akpọ this open heaven eluo on open heaven on a bed to a very busy human being to even sit down with him and discuss for 30 minutes. Now very difficult. You want to go? So at his own time, definitely, I'm sure he must have a word or two because he's not a command because no belongu one or hongu kelano onye kelano keimu. If I decide to read your no our decision. You want to go? So I rest my case. Oh no, other woman be fenneku. What a tareke biapiam. A Marocano ne yakotane tarepiam, egelu. Eh? God